Hey guys, Sthe Sibiya here, and welcome to another unboxing video. I'm excited. I'm excited. From the last video, I was unboxing the pedal that TAMA had sent to me, and today we have something special. Something special. Believe me when I say it's special, it is special. So today we are unboxing. Once again, a big shout out to Tama, South Africa, and Planet World. Thank you so much, guys. I cannot thank you so enough for everything you're doing for me. I don't consider myself the best drummer in the world, but you guys make me feel so special, and I appreciate you so much. So, guys, I have something special to show. Today, I'm unboxing a snare drum, not just any snare drum, the snare drum. On the last video, I spoke about the new products that Tama has for 2026, and this snare drum is one of them. So, Tama has released two new snare drums this year, and I'm just going to show you one of them. That's all I'm gonna do, guys. Just gonna show you one of them. I want to read about it, but you can also read about it. Go to the Tama website. The link is in the description in this video, and then just read about it. Just you just go there. Just read about it. But just a brief description of it before I unbox it. So the snare drum is by Mike Portnoy. We know Mike Portnoy. Come on. He plays. First of all, he plays a huge drum kit. That's the. It's a monster of a kit, you know. And this is his signature snare drum, Mike Portnoy, and it's 8 millimeter 9 ply Bubinga. Bubinga. And it's a 14 by 5.5 with 8-hole die cast hoops. So, guys, Bubinga, I've never played Bubinga before, but I've heard it so many times, and obviously it gives you that nice crisp attack, and then you get a lot of a rich tone out of it, So, I'm just gonna unbox it, guys. There's some interesting features about uh, this snare drum. Uh, there's a limited edition finish to it. If you know Mike Portnoy's drum kit, so this snare drum is the same finish as his drum kit. So on this way, okay, a stunning, vibrant white paint flows down each shell, naturally blending into a beautiful, rich purple sparkle. Hmm. Yeah, no, just let your imagination run wild here. Right, guys. I just wanna okay. One more thing. Mike Portnoy's signature snare drum features a special three-way tension adjustable strainer that can instantly switch between tight, loose, and off settings, allowing you to achieve uniquely different snare sounds while playing. Guys, just go on the website and check it out. Okay, just go on the website and check it out. But I have it for you right here, right now. Without any further ado, let's get to it. Mhm. So, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, It has arrived. Mike Portnoy's signature snare drum. Signature snare drum. Limited edition. Limited edition. Right. So, by the way, there's only 500 of these. And I have one of them. Only 500 of these made around the world. Only 500. So I'm so blessed, guys, to have even the privilege of unboxing this masterpiece. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay. Let me adjust my chair. Oh, wow. Okay. We have a note. We have a note, ladies and gentlemen. Right, let me sit down. I'm not sure if I'm in the frame. But, ooh, my. Oh, my. Oh, my. Let's put this over here. Guys, this is it. This is it. This is it. There's a note. See that? Mike Portnoy signature snare. Melody Master. Melody Master. That's the name of the snare. Let's carefully open this. Carefully open this. Alright. Just wait here for me. Just wait. I'll be with you just now. Guys, if it comes with a note, you know it's serious. Ooh. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Huh? Mike Portnoy Limited Signature Snare Drum. Certificate of Authenticity. I hereby certify that this limited edition signature snare drum is one of 500 drums worldwide. Each snare drum is produced with the exact finish and quality as my personal TAMA Dream Monster drum kit. TAMA and I wish its owner many years of satisfaction with this amazing handcrafted instrument. Signed, Mike Portnoy. There you go, guys. There you go. Right. Let's get to it. My favorite part. Let's put this back in there. I'm gonna frame this or something. Oh, yes. Right. Are you ready? Are you ready? Is everybody ready? So it comes with a Remo Ambassador coated head. So guys, you know, with TAMA I know. Usually TAMA in drum kits, uh, they would use a certain brand for the drum heads, but the serious stuff, they use Remo. I ain't trying to say nothing. But I've noticed. Okay, I've noticed. Right, let's open this. Let's open this. Carefully open this. Hey, when I. Right. Whoa. Wow. What is this? What is this? Tama, you did it again. You have done it again. You have done it again. Just trying to be careful, guys. This finish is not your normal finish, eh? Are you ready? I don't think y'all are ready. I don't think y'all are ready. Oh! What? Oh, no way. Guys, guys, you can see. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Huh? What is happening here? Okay, it comes with this. Oh, I think this is a manual, owner's manual. What is inside here? I think it's a drum key. I think it's a drum key. Oh, and it's not just any drum key. It's the TAMA drum key. If you have one of these, you know what I'm talking about. This is the key. Nice, nice, nice. Let's put you over here. Right, guys. Go. What? What? No. Should have worn gloves, guys. I'm not worthy. What? My. Guys, look at this thing. Whoa. It even has a. Is that a. You. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. I hope you can see that. I hope you can see that, guys. I hope you can see that. What? Mike Portnoy. What are you doing, man? Three-way adjustable. So you have one, two. Oh, and then you can just release all of it. It's like, what? Oh, Binga. This looks so good, guys. I mean, come on. Come on. Come on. It even has a remote ambassador. Underneath, let me show you underneath, guys. I hope you can see that dark Bubinga color there. I'm going to use this tomorrow. So I have a show. I have 3 shows this weekend. I'm using this the next show, which is tomorrow, guys. Tama, what are you doing? What is going on here? This is amazing. Guys, this is it. This is it. This is the Tama Mike Portnoy signature snare melody master. I'm going to tune this. And guys, I promise I'll make a video for you. I will make a video for you so that you can hear how this snare sounds like. I don't know how it sounds like, but I can tell that this was handcrafted to perfection, guys. The details, the paint, the finish is just out of this world, eh? This is it, guys. This is it. Tama, my Portnoy, signature snare, melody master. I present to you, guys. I present to you. I'm not gonna even change the head here. Like I said, it's Remo. You know how I feel about Remo. Wow. Thank you to Tama, South Africa, and Planet World. Wow. Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much. And thank you guys for tuning in. I have more stuff for you to see, new stuff to see and review. So I'm still going to play this snare for you, and you tell me how you feel about it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm just going to tune this snare and I'm just going to play around with it, guys. Until next time, cheers. Come on now.